so I forgot my mic today, so I'm sorry if I do not sound just as clear as usual. I will try and up the volume when I'm editing. So remember, my last video was about key pieces. I thought this week I would bring you the outfits that I'm styling with my key pieces, and today is the first one. If, by the way, you're just joining me for the first time, my name's Ruth. This is Style Yourself Fabulous. I'm here to give you chic, vibrant fashion ideas for ladies 50s and beyond, although I think it applies to all ages, that you dress well to feel good about yourself and feel your best. So this is the little jumper I got from High Street Outlet. The one I got for a £5 wasn't that a bargain? And I told you I was going to layer it, and I'm layering it with another key item, and that's this denim shirt. Now this denim shirt is pre-loved via Vinted. I think if you haven't got a denim shirt, it's something you should invest in because it's a great little cover up. It's great underneath things, it's great over dresses, it looks funky over a t-shirt, worn open over jeans, double denim's lovely. So there's a few key pieces that I'm wearing that I wear on repeat, and I think if you haven't got them in your wardrobe, it's a good idea to add them to it. So I hope you're inspired by my styling. So let me just show you look number one, and that's with this jumper today. So I've got a little mini skirt on. I'm going to show you mini because that's the best way to show it. And I went today with the green. So I've got red, green, there's all sorts of colours in the skirt. My skirt's pre-loved. The whole outfit is pretty much shot from my wardrobe, apart from this jumper. That's my new key piece. I absolutely love the red, and I'm going to be styling up so this little jumper in a few little ways. I'm going to be styling up for the office because I'll be in the office from tomorrow onwards, and then for at the weekend, how I would want to plan to wear it at the weekend. And then remember the little orange button-up cardigan. It's a similar sort of style to this, only it's a cardigan, so that makes it just that little bit more versatile. And I love the deep, vibrant orange of that particular cardigan. So that's two items that you're going to be seeing styled up in this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that if you are just joining me for the first time, well, welcome first of all to my channel, and I hope you will consider subscribing. Remember to give me a thumbs up if you've liked the video. Drop me a comment below. Let's get this conversation started. What key items do you like or feel they should be in your wardrobe? What do you feel your wardrobe's missing? And remember the little bell notification, because that means you get to find out when I upload a video. Thanks guys. So I hope you'll join me for the rest of the styling inspiration today on these two key items that I bought recently. This is the next look for this red jumper. This morning I'm not wearing anything underneath it to layer it up. I'm going to be putting my layers on the other way, on the outer side. I thought I would try but with this little necklace that you can tie to whatever length you want. It kind of looks like a collar. So right away I think that that just helps the look of the plain collar. I do not know about you, but I do not like my collar plain. So there's always going to be statement jewellery or a little scarf or something. So the next thing, I'm going to show you what I'm wearing actually. So this is my long skirt from High Street Outlet, and I'm wearing my cowboy boots today. I'm going to be in red and navy today. I haven't put a belt on because I like to be comfortable at the office, and I'll be using my Sarah Horn bag. So I think that's just a nice little classy look, and then I'll show you the blazer I'm going to pop on with that. So again, a mix of textures, the wool in the jumper, the satin of the skirt, and then the velour of this beautiful blazer, which is still available from Africa. And currently they have a good sale on. So that's my sort of office look. Just the pops of red, I just really like that. And then of course I have to go one more, don't I? With an interesting scarf. I feel as if I need something very warm at my neck, but just that little pop of pink just brings that third colour. Again, if you want to add interest to an outfit, always add that third colour. That's your tip for the day. Right, so that is today's look, and I'll show you here on Mini Me. So the skirt is from High Street Outlet. You saw before, I do have a video that I did months ago when I got it. I wore it most weeks because I love it. They still have it, and it's still reduced, and they have several different colourways in it, so have a look at that. And this jumper's the same that came out of High Street Outlet. These are bought items, not paid items. Now my bag was gifted from Sarah Harn. I love this bag, and this lifts off to become a clutch, which I love. And they have given me extra accessories with it. I've got purple accessories, and I've also got little straps that I can wear this as a little shoulder bag for the evening time, this particular bag. Just love the size of this. I like to use the handles, but there's also shoulder strap inside, which tucks in nicely if you don't want to use the shoulder straps. So it's a bigger bag than I normally go for, but it's just one of those bags that's going to stand the test of time. It is expensive, but it's quality leather. Love the style of it, and I think the style again is a classic. And red never dates. So I just think this is a lovely little outfit. I do hope you'll like this, and I hope you'll also check back for my third way to style this jumper that's not with jeans, because that's important. So often we think, oh, let's just wear a jumper and jeans. Let's think outside the box. Let's make a jumper from being a classic item to being something that adds to our outfit. Back with item 2, which is the second little knit. It's orange, it's a button down cardigan, it's a fine knit, and I've changed into a little bit of double denim. These are my wide leg jeans and a little denim shirt that you saw on me the other day. This was from Vintage. So I'm going to try the cardigan on and then let you see just how it adds a pop of colour to the denim, and then I'll decide what way I'm going to wear the cardigan, if I'm going to button it up or if I'm going to leave it undone. That's the great thing about cardigans, you've got options. I would wear it over a long dress, not a short dress. I think you need your proportions right. If you're wearing a shorter cardigan, the dress length needs to be longer. It needs to be midi length or maxi length right away. If I was going to be wearing it with a shorter skirt, I would probably have a longer shirt underneath just to add a little bit of interest and break up that sort of block shape. So that's my thoughts on the cardigan with a skirt. My black pleather trousers will look really well with that, and I am going to pop them on now and let you see the black pleathers on with a different blouse, just to give you a different vibe. But this is a lovely casual look, even just to wear around the house, but you could also wear it anywhere. And maybe you could add a little bright scarf here, or maybe a nice statement necklace, because that's what I like to do, and that would just elevate that look that little bit further. So another item that this orange goes really well with is leopard print. Check out Mini Me. You see me putting the look together. It's a long maxi dress. It's from Shein. I have it 3 or 4 months. It's still available. I will pop the link below. It looks amazing with this orange. Now I think personally I prefer it more open, like I tried it first of all, but then I showed you the option of buttoning in the middle. Wasn't so sure about that. And then buttoning up mostly up and letting it be just like a jumper. So I thought that worked really, really nicely. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed all the styling today. I've given you 3 different looks for each of the knitwear items. They're all very different, mostly smart, some casual. I hope it's inspired you to try. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I hope you will subscribe, and remember the thumbs up and the little bell for notification. You know how important that is, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Take care. God bless.